Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys having a wonderful day. Today we're going to be unboxing not one, not two, but three different iPhone 12 Pro Max. I got it in three different colors, obviously. I'm not going to get the same color, obviously. So I got the gold, the navy blue, which is the new color. I can't wait to see what this one actually looks like. I'm really excited about this color. And I think this is the graphite. Yeah, I think this is the graphite. I mean, the box is actually, it's smaller than that of the box of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but but it's still bigger than that of the iPhone 12. Just compare it together. It's still bigger than that of the iPhone 12. So when Apple released the four iPhone 12 series, the iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, man, that's a lot of iPhone 12. They released the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro first. I was actually tempted to get the iPhone 12 Pro since it was the one that was available right now, back then. But after like a couple of weeks, they released the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So finally, I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max over here. So let's get to the unboxing. Well, which one should I unbox first? Mini, money, more, mini, money, more. Okay, let's just use JESUS, which pronounce Jesus, right? JESUS. Wow, the navy blue. So let's unbox the navy blue first. So let's see what comes in the box. Guys, the best part of getting a new iPhone is the unboxing experience. Like, I really love Apple unboxing experience. Even though they've taken a couple of things out of the box, I still love the experience of unboxing an iPhone. So let's see what comes in the box. So obviously, you get your phone first. Yeah, I kind of prefer for you to like see your accessories, then your phone. But most of the time, when you unbox a new iPhone, the first thing you're gonna see is your iPhone 12. So let's take out that and let's see what else comes in the box. I really love this color. Check this out, guys. I really love this color. I really love this color. Like, check this out. Yeah, that's really good. So this here, there's not gonna be a charging brick in the box. All you're gonna get is your USB-C to Lightning cable, which is the one over here, and your instruction manual. Even the instruction manual is way smaller than what it used to be before. You only get one Apple sticker, your SIM tool, and the instruction. The instruction manual is actually used to be like a pamphlet or something like with like 5 or 6 pages, but now this is all you get. This is all you get. Well, Apple is saying that they are saving Mother Nature and whatever, as if they have the number of Mother Nature, or Mother Nature gives them, or Mother Nature sends an email to them, but it is what it is. But the funniest thing is that they say they're saving Mother Nature, but if you buy the HomePod Mini, you're gonna get a charging brick. If you buy the new MacBook Air, you're gonna get a charging brick. Mother Nature doesn't care about that, right? You see, Apple is actually very smart, and I'm gonna tell you why they're actually very smart. So let's unbox the next one. So which one should I unbox next? Mini, money, more, mini. It doesn't really matter. Let me just unbox the gold one. Now let's see what's in the box. Obviously, it's the same thing inside the box, but boom. This is actually my own. The first time I used an iPhone was the iPhone XS. The first color I bought was the gold color. That's why I bought the gold. I wanted to get the navy blue, but I was like, this color is going to be actually very popular. So I like to separate myself from the crowd a little bit. It is what it is. Okay, let's see what the gold actually. Wow. Wow. This color, it's not like the gold color of the iPhone XS. Was it the iPhone XS? Yeah, I think was the iPhone XS, but this color looks amazing. Just take a look at this. It looks like a like a gold slab, like a slab of gold, like real gold. Just take a look at this, man. This actually looks so cool. This actually looks so cool, like really amazing, guys. Wow, I'm kind of happy that I got the gold color. I wanted to get the navy blue, although the navy blue actually looks good, but I still love my gold. Yeah, gold for life, my G. So that's it. Same thing, you get your USB-C to Lightning cable. I don't need to tell you that. Obviously, your instruction manual, Apple sticker, and all that. Now let's get. My table is already messy already. Like, Let me just put all this to the side and let's do the final unboxing. Then I'm going to talk about what's new on the new iPhone 12 Pro Max and kind of how it compares to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Although I'm going to be making a video of the iPhone 12 Pro Max versus the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I'm also going to be making a couple of comparison videos like iPhone 12 Pro Max versus the iPhone 12. Yeah, so this is the iPhone 12 right here. This is the iPhone 12. Let me take out the case. So this is the iPhone 12 right here. Now, compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, I mean, it looks like father and a newborn baby. I mean, this is a 6.7 inch display and this is a 6.1 inch. Although it doesn't sound like a very big difference, but I mean, take a look at this. Just take a look at this. The size difference is actually very much. Like, just take a look at this. So let's unbox the last one. Then we talk about what's new on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So the best part, oh, feels so satisfying. Let's see. Wow. I mean, I'm not really excited about this color. I'm not really really excited about this color. I mean, it looks clean. I mean, this kind of looks mature. Like, I am a mature businessman. So this is the graphite color. I mean, it looks mature. Like if you're working in an office or something like that, you know, this actually looks a little bit like professional. This actually looks very professional. I mean, compared to the gold, I mean, the gold looks like, oh, you're doing too much. Yeah, you are lousy. Like, I'm a boss, man. But this one is like, I'm a professional businessman. I like to take everything calm. Oh, can I have a number? Oh, take my phone. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. But this one's like, yes, this is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. It comes in gold. What the fuck am I doing? So now let's talk about what's new on that new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Guys, just take a look at this. Just take a look at this. Let me just put everything on the table right now. Just take a look at this. Wow, just take a look at this. So what's new on the new iPhone 12 Pro Max? Well, the lenses are slightly bigger than that of the iPhone 11. Yeah, like slightly bigger than the iPhone 11. I'm not gonna say it's very obvious, but when you look at it up close, you're gonna notice the difference. And obviously the new design, the all new boxy design, well, it's not really all new, but it's similar to that of the iPhone 4, or maybe some people say the iPhone 5. It's a boxy design with stainless steel at the sides. I actually love the feeling of the back. It feels good. I mean, compared to that of the iPhone 12, which is like a fingerprint magnet. Like this one attracts fingerprint like from a mile away. Just show the iPhone 12 your fingers and it's already on your phone. But this one, since it's a matte finish, you don't really see a fingerprint on the body of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is actually cool. And yeah, before I forget, there's actually a new LiDAR sensor on the new iPhone 12. Yeah, a LiDAR sensor on the new iPhone 12. It's actually good for AR features and it assists the camera when it comes to like complex portrait mode, like nighttime portraits and stuff like that. I mean, not that the iPhone 11 Pro Max doesn't have an amazing portrait mode, but this is gonna take it to the next level, like next level. So what else is new? Well, compared to the iPhone 11 Pro Max, if you put them side by side, this is a 6.7 inch display compared to the 6.5 inch display on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm not 100% sure right now, but it's slightly bigger than that of the iPhone 11. I mean, just take a look at this. It's actually very big. Like, you can't reach all the screen on one end. Like, you can actually hold the phone with one end. But the thing about me is that I love a very big display on the smartphone. That's just my preference. Some people actually love small phones, but I actually love a big display on my smartphone. I'm just impressed with the gold color of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I mean, just take a look at this. Just take a look at this. Wow. So I'm going to set mine up right now and I'm going to tell you what else is new. So what else is new on the new iPhone 12 Pro Max? All four variants of the iPhone 12 can shoot Adobe 10-bit color, but the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max can shoot 10-bit color 4K at 60 frames per second compared to the 30 frames per second on the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 mini. I don't have the iPhone 12 mini right now, and the iPhone 12 Pro is the same size as the iPhone 12, by the way. It's a 6.1 inch display, but we are talking about the iPhone 12 Pro Max today. So let's concentrate on the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So since the lens is slightly bigger than that of the iPhone 11, if you're familiar with camera, if you have a bigger lens, it means the lens is going to be able to allow in more light, which actually means better nighttime photos. Before the iPhone 12 series, the only difference that used to be between the Pro and the Pro Max is just the size. But this year is something different. On the iPhone 12 Pro Max, you get extra features like the stabilization on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. There's a new stabilization mechanism on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is not on the iPhone 12 Pro. Although the iPhone 12 Pro still has great image stabilization, but the iPhone 12 Pro Max takes it to the next level. So what else is on the iPhone 12 Pro Max that is not on the iPhone 12 Pro? Well, on the new iPhone 12 Pro Max, you are now able to zoom in into your image further than that of the iPhone 12 Pro. I can't really remember the specific number, but I'm going to place it on the display. I mean, the difference is not much, but it's still an upgrade from the iPhone 12 Pro. On the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the base storage is now 128GB compared to 64GB on the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max last year. In fact, all 11 series was 64GB. But this year on the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12, the base storage is 64. But if you move up to the iPhone 12 Pro and the Pro Max, the base storage is 128GB. Everything else is pretty much the same thing. All 4 variants of the iPhone 12 now support 5G, which is actually cool. Although there's no 5G where I live, but it's actually good to be future-proof. So if you check the body of the iPhone 12, you're gonna see the 5G antenna on the body of the iPhone 12 below the power button. Yeah, as you can see right here, it's below the power button. I actually thought it was a fingerprint reader similar to that of the iPad Air, but it is the 5G antenna. Everything else is pretty much the same thing. Still no USB-C, still 60Hz display, no 120Hz display this year. Well, still no headphone jack. I don't think headphone jack is ever coming back. Nope, headphone jack is never coming back. All 4 variants of the iPhone 12 has a magnet at the back for the new MagSafe charger, which is actually very cool. Although I don't really know why they call it wireless since it's still attached to a wire, but it's actually Apple's gimmick to sell you more MagSafe charger. Anyways, that's the unboxing experience of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, drop me a like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, you might want to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to be making comparison video of the iPhone 12 Pro Max to the iPhone 12, to the Note 20 Ultra, and to so many other phones. So if that sounds like something interested in, you might want to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. But before you go, click that like button. Just click it right there. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or a wonderful night, wherever you are. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.